Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a license here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a Salesforce license to a user typically involves assigning them a license when creating a new user or modifying an existing user's settings. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon settings and click setup. Now, on the upper left corner on the quick find search bar, type in user and go to users. Now, you can create a new user that you wanted to add a license, or if you wanted to edit the license for a specific user, you can also do that. For example, in this case, I'm going to be using this account. I'm going to click on edit. And for me to be able to add a license, it's really easy, all right? Because all I have to do is click on the role first if you don't have one. The user license is going to be for Salesforce, and the profile is going to be contract manager or end user. You see, if this is not active, click on the active and you will be giving a license for this specific user, right? All I have to do now is click on save. All right, you can, on the bottom part corner, there's going to be an option that says if you wanted to generate a new password, you can do that. Now, if you wanted to add a license to a new user, you can also do that. It's this same thing. Put in all the information here, and then on the role, select these, and of course, identify the user license. Is it going to be Chatter External, Chatter Free, Identity, or Salesforce? And again, you need to hover the check button here to make sure that you are giving a license to a specific user. But if in case you encounter a problem adding a licensed user here in Salesforce, I want you to click the Salesforce Help and hover to the Get Support option. Click on Confirm. Now I want you to click on the Create a Case, Submit a Case, and one of the support staff expert will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the problem of adding a license here in Salesforce. Put in the subject, the description, and if you have, of course, a screenshot of the problem, that's going to be helpful. Upload the file here. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.